What camera should you buy? Today I am answering that question. This is Quick Camera Queries, the series where I answer your tech and camera questions. If you would like to submit a query for the series, put it down in the comments below and we will shout you out if we choose your answer. But to get back to today's query, what camera should you buy? Well, unfortunately the answer is I don't know. Hear me out though, keep watching, don't click away yet. See, it varies so drastically from person to person, use case to use case, budget to budget, that I cannot give you a single recommendation. For some people, I may recommend a Sony a7R III. For some people, I may recommend a Canon C700FF, depending on what their budget is, what they plan to use it for, and a lot of other factors. And unfortunately, when I get asked this question, which is quite frequently, I then have to follow up with many more questions to learn about what they're going to use it for, again, what their budget is, that's a big part of it, and then give them a recommendation, but encourage them to do some research of their own because there might be a better option out there. I may not have all the information. So how do you find out what camera is right for you? Well, again, you can do your own research, but you don't have to do this without any assistance, because we are creating an online course which will be free for at least the first 2 months of it being live and is coming out hopefully sometime late in August. This course will take you through all the necessary steps to find out what camera you should buy and even how to buy it, as well as other camera accessories such as lenses. It will walk you through the various stages of finding your initial camera candidates, narrowing that down, looking up reviews of them all, using certain tools that will help speed up the process, and again, how to buy the camera. So definitely subscribe so that you can be alerted to when that comes out. Thank you for watching, and if you would like to submit a query, again, put it in the comments below, and to keep watching this series, click on the video right here.